Hey, hello, welcome to FS with SRIKANTH. In this lecture, we are going to discuss audio and video tags. So here, how we can add audio files and video files to your web page. With the help of audio tag, it is possible to add audio files, and with the help of video tag, it is possible to add a video file to a web page. Right. So first of all, we discuss about audio tag. This audio tag is a paid tag and it contains one sub element, that is a source tag. The source tag may allowing source attribute. With the help of source attribute, you can add a one existing mp3 file or OGG files we may place, and at a time in a source file you can mention the type of the file, that is audio type mp3. Automatically it will be creates, right? So this audio tag is also having some important components, some important elements, right? That are controls, means it control attribute is provides. If you require pause button and stop button, it may provide sound controls, it will provides. Defaultly it is a true. If you want to false, it is equal to false. Otherwise, controls equal controls, automatically it will be play. And if you want to play your audio files automatically when the web page is launched, that time only you want to place, then you can use autoplay attribute. Then you want to muted your application, you want to play that audio but you don't want to provide the audio, then you can provide this one, audio voice. We can mute it initially. And how many times? Loop. It is a 3-4 times it will be loop or not. Otherwise, only when it finish the content, automatically it will stop. Otherwise, loop attribute. One is controls, means pause, stop buttons it will be provides. Autoplay means when web page is open, that time only your file is start playing. And muted, it will be stops your voice. And loop in the sense, it will be n number of times it may be repeat. And there is a one more is there SRC attribute, that is a in source attribute is having. So here it may take one audio file may supporting number of source tags, n number of. So automatically the web page only, the Chrome browsers only decide which one source file will be automatically runs. So just to observe, I am trying to execute the same program, audio file, just go live. So this is one audio file, but it not opens any. Why? Because there is no file. Just observe here, the file name is there, mp3 file. Just you can add one file. Totally how many files are there? Totally 2 files, but we can add both are mp3 only, mp3. Just I want to add one file. Already we are having existing files here. I placed this audio files / audio files, audio. Within the audios, not a song. One more SRC / audios, and I want to Mehabuba, the KGF movie song. Just you observe, automatically it will be run. Which one will be takes? Button is come from this one autoplay. Suppose muted. So muted, what happens? Mute. Defaultly it comes with mute. You can change that one, that button. Suppose there is a muted option is not there, then what happens? Automatically there. Defaultly it comes from muted. Muted in the sense, defaultly it comes. So this is the audio tag. With the help of this one, we may place multiple audio files. Suppose you want to place a different audio files, number of audio files. Just observe, and again you copy audio tag. So just observe audio tag. The automatically 2 files will open. So here, if in case we place multiple source files in a one web page, it takes defaultly, right? Automatically it takes only single file. So first one 328 and second one is 3. The 2 files will be placed, right? Muted, unmute and unmute, right? That is difference. This is audio tag. And a video tag is nothing but it will be having same properties, but here in the place of audio tag you can write video and it end with the video. And file type value is video mp4. Automatically it will be changed. Just observe, I am executing this one. So same file you want to, already you know that. So just you copy this. So just right. So in that you want to add some file. This is type value is video mp4. Automatically type. So just you open your server mp4, right? Autoplay, and we required video file video file. Just observe, automatically the play, right? Just you can place source of the file. Already we having the video files, videos, and I want to place here R files only. List, suppose I am placing lists. Just observe, it is not fit to screen. So with the help of height and width we can change. So width 150 pixels, automatically it up width equal 150 pixels, and height equal 200 pixels. Just observe what happens here. The file size will be changed. Suppose 1500 pixels and 2000 pixels. What happens? So very big size now, 250, height 250 and 100, height and width. Suppose we are taking like a percentage, 50%, 60%. Automatically it change size. And muted in the sense default it comes with muted. But I want to start my video with one particular poster, right? So like a thumbnail, poster equal to address we want to provide. Address, what type of address we provide? Image file we need to provide. So images, where is our, these are images. So I want to provide SS Rajamouli photo. So autoplay I want to false. So it comes like this. Initially it comes like this, autoplay. When I am removing this one, it start. There is a poster value. Poster is nothing but, so when before starting your video it will be having one poster like a thumbnail. So in this way we can add audio and video files to our web page. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Please subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you. Please support us.